O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes. Yesterday we lost our period, no? So let's complete today. Okay. So we completed the order of numbers before the last day. And today we are going to discuss how to form the two-digit numbers from the given digits. Okay. We are forming two-digit numbers. We are forming two-digit numbers. Listen here. Okay. The digits will be given from the given digits. We have to form greatest two-digit number as well as the smallest two-digit number. Please listen to ma'am. No need to write now. Listen here. It's very simple. Very simple. So please listen. Let me share the screen.
Ma'am,
Yes, Harriet.
today is my birthday.
Happy birthday, Harriet. Happy birthday. Now we will wish you after some time. Okay, Harriet. Looking so cute today. Now listen here. Now I am writing two digits here. Okay, I'm writing 7 and 2. 7 and 2. The 7 and 2 both are one digit numbers. Now 7 and 2 both are one digit numbers. So using this 7 and 2, we have to make the greatest two digit number. We have to make the smallest two digit number. Okay, listen here once again. Today we are discussing how to form a two-digit number from the given digits. So I give you two digits, two one digits. Which are the two digits? 7 and 2. Now using the 7 and 2, we have to form the greatest number as well as the smallest number. Okay, now let us see how we can make the greatest number. Greatest means the biggest or the largest. So greatest number. Can anyone tell without knowing the steps using the 7 and 2 how we can make the biggest one, biggest number? Oh, it's 72. No need to know the steps and all. No, it's very simple. It's 72. And the smallest?
27.
7. Very good. Now, those who didn't understand, please listen to ma'am. Please listen to me. Now, we are going to form greatest number using 7 and 2. Okay. How we will form the greatest number? Listen here. We are forming the greatest two-digit number. So let us write the place, tens and ones. Okay. Now, if we are forming the greatest number, the greater digit we can write in the tens place. Okay. If we are forming the greatest number or the biggest number or the largest number, we will write the bigger digit in the tens place. Here given 7 and 2. So which is a larger digit or bigger digit? In 7. 7. Right in the tens place is 7. And the next digit we can write at the ones place. So what's the number? 7 tens and 2 ones. 72. Okay. The number is 72. Now again we can write the smallest. So when we have to form the smallest number, again we are forming the two-digit number, no? So we can write the places, tens and ones. Now smallest. So look at the smaller digit in 7 and 2, which is smaller? 2. So that we can write in the tens place. And the next one we can write in the ones place. So we go to 27. 2 tens and 7 ones, 27. So the greatest number is 72. Smallest number is 27. Okay. Now let us see one more example. I'm giving you 4 and 8. Okay. 4 and 8. Now let us see how we can form the greatest number. So let us write greatest. Okay. So let us write the places, tens and ones. In 4 and 8, which is the biggest digit, bigger digit? 8. Very good. So 8 we can write at the tens place. The next one we can write in the ones place. 8 tens and 4 ones. What's the number? 84. Very good. Now, smallest. Okay, smallest. So, smallest, if you want to make the smallest, we have to write the smaller digit in the tens place. Which is smaller? Which is smaller? 4. So 4 we can write in the tens place, 8 we can write in the ones place. So the greatest number is 84, smallest number is 48. Is it clear how to form the two-digit number?
Yes.
Now please listen here. How we will form the greatest number? We will write the greater digit in the tens place and the other one in the ones place. Okay, you have to remember greatest, greater digit. Okay, we will start with the greater digit. If you are forming the smallest number, we will write the smaller digit at the tens place. Okay, now let's write this in the notebook.
Yes.
So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, you can take a fresh page and you can write at the top. F-O-R-M. Form, not from. See, F-R-O-M, from. This is F-O-R-M, form. F-O-R-M. Form, the greatest, T-H-E. The greatest. So G-R-E-A-T-E-S-T. Form the greatest. Form the greatest and smallest. S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T. Smallest. Form the greatest and smallest two-digit numbers. 2-digit. Two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. U-S-I-N-G. Using. using the given THE, the given, GIVEN, given digits. Form the greatest and smallest two-digit numbers using the given digits.
I have completed.
Good.
I have completed.
How completed? Let's move to the question.
I have.
And we have the
Ma'am, I have
first one,
completed.
A.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, now we have A. And the digits are 3, 2. Now you have to write the answer. Okay. After that, we will discuss. 3 and 2. Greatest number. Smallest number. The given digits are 3, 2. So we have to form the greatest number as well as the smallest number.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
So for forming the greatest number, we have to put the places first, tens and ones. Smallest also, let's write the places. Aldrin, you have completed. Did you find the greatest and the smallest?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, good boy.
I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good, good, Rehat. So for making the greatest number, we have to write the greater digit at the tens place. So here it is given 3, 2. Which is the greater of the digit?
3.
Ah, 3. Very good. So we can write it 3 here. And the next 2, we can write it 1 space. So what's the number?
32.
Very good. Now smallest number. So for making the smallest number, we have to write the smaller digit in the tens place. So here in 3 and 2, which is smaller?
2.
Ah, 2 we can write at the tens place. The other one we can write at the ones place. So what's the number?
23.
Good. It's 23. So please complete the answer, all of you. Greatest number 32. Smallest number 23.
I have completed.
Okay, good, good. Those who have completed, please
Ma'am,
stay.
I have
You must still
completed.
writing that them complete.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
Those who have completed, please try the next one. Okay, and the digits are, let me write B, and the digits are 6, 4. Now write the answer.
Man,
Yes.
let's the
Please write the answer.
up screen. Place at the top.
Yes, yes.
At the top.
You have to see the top.
Yes.
Badri facing network issue, I think. Huh? Notes I will send in the group. Okay, Badri, you have to complete it anyway. You can ask your sister's help for completing the notes. Six and 4. Let's write the answer.
I have completed.
Ah, good, very good. So the greatest number, Greatest, greatest number. What is the greatest number?
64.
The greatest number, tens and ones. The smallest number, let us write the tens and ones. Now the greatest number, we have to write the greater digit in the tens place. Here in 6 and 4, which is greater?
6.
6, very good. And the next digit we can write at the ones place. So what's the number?
64.
Very good. Now smallest number, no? So smaller digit we have to write at the tens place. So which is a smaller digit in 6 and 4? 4. So we can write a 6 at the ones place. So what's the number? 46. The greatest number is 64. Smallest number 46. Let's do one more.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, we have again 6, 5. Now you write the answer.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good. Mohammed Aidin, which is the greatest number?
6.
Greater digit is 6. So which is the greatest number?
55.
Good boy. What about the smallest?
5. 56.
The smaller digit is 5. Smallest number?
5.
Smallest number?
56.
56. Good boy. So greatest number, we can write the tens and ones. Smallest number? Again tens and ones. So the greater digit is 6. So we can write a 6 at the tens place and 5 at the ones place. So the number, greatest number is 65. Then the smallest number, we can write the smaller digit in tens place. The other one is in ones place. So the answer is 56. So the greatest number 65, smallest number 56. Anthony Naiju is here today. Anthony Naiju. Anthony Naiju is present. No. Then what about Elon? Elon Antonio. Elon Antonio.
Yes, ma'am.
Elon is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what about Muhammad Haysam? Muhammad Haysam.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, then. Then one more is here. Rida Mariam. Rida Mariam. Absent. Vedic Vinod. Vedic Vinod. Absent. Did you complete the notes? Let me stop sharing.
Yes.
Is there anyone to write?
No, ma'am.
So let me stop sharing.
No. No, ma'am. Completed.
Okay, completed.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Anna, right?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, Anna.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good, good. Now we have a small topic related to the formation of this two-digit number that we will take now. Then we will write it tomorrow questions if we have time. Otherwise, I will send in the group, so you have to complete it. Okay. So Monday we can start the workbook, and Monday we will have the revision also.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, you please close your notebook and listen to me. Please close your notebook and listen to me.
Ma'am, I closed.
Okay, now, so here we form the two-digit numbers without repeating any digit. Okay, we didn't repeat any digit. We write only once. We write only one time. See, when we form two-digit numbers from the given digit, that means 3 and 2, we got the greatest number 32, we got the smallest number 23. So there we didn't repeat the digits. Okay, we write only one time. Now, if the question is that with the repeating, you can repeat the digits. So how we will form the two-digit number? Okay, now let me share the screen. No need to write. Listen to me. Let us discuss first, then we can write in the notebook. Please listen here. Let us discuss one question. Okay, now listen here. With repeating. Repeat means what? Repeat. Write once again. Okay, with repeating. So I'm giving two digits, two one digits. Okay, the digits are 7 and 3. Okay, the digits given 7 and 3. Okay, here it is in the question may ask with the repeating the digits. That means we can write once again. Okay, then we are forming the greatest number. Greatest number. How we will form? How we will form the greatest number? The same thing. That means at once. Now, which is a greater digit in 7 and 3? 7. So this 7 we will write in 10 space and 1 space. So we got the greater number, no? 77. So here in the question may ask with the repeating. So we will repeat the digits. Okay. So that time we will write the tens and 1 space, the same bigger number. That means greatest number we got 77. Now let us write the smallest number, which is a smaller digit. Huh? Smaller digit. Oh, 3. So So we can write the 3 in 10 space and 1 space. Okay. So we will get 33. Okay. We will get 33. So in the question may ask with the repeating. Okay. With the repeating means we can repeat the digits and find out the greatest number and smallest number. So if it is greatest number, we will write the bigger digit in tens and one space. If it is smaller digit, we will write the tens space and one space, the smaller digit. So you will get the answer. Okay. You can take a fresh page. Take a fresh page.
Ma'am, we want to write.
Yes, yes. That's the last writing in this first day. Take a fresh page.
Want to take same page.
No same page. You can take a new page.
Okay.
Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will send the notes in the group. Will you write after the class? We can, that's better.
Yes.
Because no? Better, no?
Yes.
Yes. Now you please listen. So we can revise the same thing once again here. Okay. Now, no need to write now. Listen here. Okay. Listen here. See, I'm giving the digits as 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Now, with the repeating, we have to form the greatest number and the smallest number. Okay. With the repeating.
88.
Good, good. You are telling the answer. So the greatest number.
88.
Good, good. Greatest. So how we will form the greatest number? Tens and ones. Which is a greater digit in 6 and 8?
86.
8. So that 8 we will write in the tens space and the one space. So we will get the biggest number. Okay. 8 tens and 8 ones. What's the number? 88. Now let us see the smallest. Let us see the smallest number. So in tens and ones, write the smaller digit. 6. So both place we can write the smaller digit. That is 6. So what's the answer? 66. 66. Now let us see one more example. Then we can write the question in the notebook. Okay, remaining you can write in the I'll write after the class. Now one more example. Again, one more example. See, 4 and 1. Okay, 4 and 1. So we have to form with the repeating. You see, with the repeating, the greatest. So what will come in greatest? Which is the bigger digit?
44.
44. 4 is a bigger digit. So 4 at the tens place, 4 at the ones place. That is 44. Then smallest. It will come tens and ones, the smaller digit. That is 1, 1. What's the number 1, 1? 11. Okay, good. Now we can write the question in the notebook. Only the question. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So please take a notebook, take a fresh page. And this is the last writing. So we are writing in the notebook. Okay. So we completed all the topics. FORM. 4. F.
Right.
Yes. You have to write. FORM. 4. The same questions. The question we wrote before. Form the greatest. GREATEST. FORM. Form. THE. Form the greatest. 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 Form the greatest What will be the next word? And? Greatest and?
And smallest.
Very good. S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T. Smallest. Form the greatest and smallest. What we are forming?
Two-digit number.
Very good. Two-digit numbers. Form the greatest and smallest two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. U-S-I-N-G. Using U-S-I-N-G. Using form the greatest and smallest two-digit numbers using
S-I-N-G.
TH. Using the given digits. Form the greatest and smallest two-digit numbers using the given digits. U-S-I-N-G. Using T-H-E. The given. G-I-V-E-N. Given digits. D-I-G-I-T-S. Digits. Comma by 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 repeating R-E-P-E-A-T-I-N-G. R-E-P-E-A-T-I-N-G. Repeating. By repeating the digits. So this notes I will send after this class, so you can complete it. Okay, the same thing. By repeating the digits, it's very important. By repeating the digits, that you can underline. By repeating the digits. So let's wish Harriet now. Harriet, did you cut the cake?
Happy birthday.
Did you cut the cake, Harriet?
No. Happy birthday.
It's in the evening. Cake in the evening.
Happy birthday, Harriet.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Harriet.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay.
Happy birthday, Harriet. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, friends.
Bye bye. See you in the next one.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.